How to adjust page border margins in Microsoft Word. What is up guys, in today's tutorial we're going to see how you can easily adjust your page margin on Microsoft Word. So as you can see here, I've got my Microsoft Word open. Now first thing we can do is start off by adding a margin to the page. You can do that by going over to the layout tab on the top ribbon and then find margins over here. Click on this drop down and select a margin you want to add. Then from there, what you can do is select your margin. So the first one is the selected one is normal. It is 1 inches on each side. Now, in order to change this, what you can do is just select any other one here. So let's say if I just select the option for narrow, it's going to just do a 0.5 inches. Once that is done, you could go over to design and add a page border. Go to page borders and then add a border. So I'll just do a normal box border for now, tap on OK. So I've got this border now. If you want to move this border according to the text, you are going to have to go over to layout again, and under page setup on the top bottom right corner, you'll find this little arrow icon. Just click on it and another window will pop up. Now, all you have to do is, let's say if I want to move the text from left over to the right, I'm just going to have to increase the border margin on the right side. You'll also be able to see a preview down below on how it's going to look. So let me just quickly increase the number and you can go pretty far. That looks about right, so I'll just do 3 inches on the left, and if you tap on OK, it's going to be right here, so the margin is going to be right over here, just like so. Now if you want the border to move with respect to your text, it's quite easy as well. You do the same thing, but this time you just click on this drop down where it says apply to. You could do this point forward, or what you can do is go over to design and then go to page border. Now from there you can see under whole document you have options. From the option you can measure from the edge of the page and you can just change it over to text. The border is going to follow your text. Now click on OK, click on OK again, and as you can see here, the border follows the text over here. Now if you want to do the same thing on the border and move the text right inside the border itself as well, you go to page borders, and then from there you can change your settings as well. If you go over to options here, you just increase this. So let's say if I just go ahead and move it from the left again, more to the left, I just click on OK, and then click on OK again, the text is going to move that way. So that's basically it guys. I hope this tutorial was helpful. Hit the like button down below, subscribe to the channel, and I'll catch you guys in the next one.